Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch this crystal puffer fish in Fish It Roblox. So if you're looking for the new fish in the Fish It update, the crystal puffer fish is a new rare beauty that only spawns in the crystal depths. So here I'm going to show you the exact location and the best bait combo to get this one. So for the location, as I mentioned before, you can get it inside the crystal depths, and I'm using the element rod with the singularity bait combo. And for the location, you can actually get it inside the crystal depth, but for me personally, I got it in this location and also in the docks in here. So just choose your favorite spot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.